Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. I just wanted to pop on before we start this vlog just to say that this was filmed between the 1st and the 8th of March 2020, which was just before the worst of the coronavirus outbreak. As you can see, I'm now at home. I've been at home for 8 weeks now, currently not travelling, and I don't advise that anybody watching this starts to travel at the moment. I hope you're all well and safe, and I hope you enjoy this vlog as a little bit of escapism during this tough time. Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Jamaica. Yeah man. This time we're in Jamaica celebrating my 30th birthday. Frank told me on Thursday the 27th of February that we were flying out here to Jamaica on the 1st of March. He's had it booked for over a year and kept it a secret, which is really good. How did you find that?
Yeah, it was easy really.
So we are staying at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort in Jamaica in Ocho Rios. This is our suite, and it goes all the way down there, and we have a lovely pool as well. This suite that we're staying in is a G1 Butler level estate suite, and I'll give you a room tour in a moment. So this is the main entrance where you come in, and you come straight in to, excuse all the room service, a bar. You've got tea and coffee, all the spirits, and in the fridge, we've drank a bit out of it, but you've got a bottle of wine, all your mixers, fruit juices, and then this was beer and water. Then from the kitchen you come through into the living area with TV, all traditional Jamaican mahogany stuff, and a couch, and then out veranda with your pool. This is condensation, by the way, it's not rain. It's beautiful outside. From the living area you walk through into the bedroom. This bed is huge. Got a TV, chair, and then more French doors, and a seating area for outside. Then we go into the bathroom. You've got all your towels, you've got a sink, hi, vanity mirror and hairdryer, toilet, bathtub, and shower. At Butler level you also get all the amenities out the spa as well. So you get a shampoo and conditioner, body lotion, shower gel, makeup remover pads, and all the other bits and pieces. Just trying some Caribbean. Considering that's mild, that's really spicy. Jerk sausage. This is a traditional Jamaican dumpling, and it's made of sugar, flour, and something else.
That looks like a welly.
It's like a donut.
Yeah, Mum.
But not as sweet.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is
Good morning. We have found a great spot down on the beach, on a pier, right out into the Caribbean Sea. It is absolutely beautiful. It's about 30 degrees today. So we're just going to sit and chill down here. I know this vlog's been a bit all over the place really because we're doing nothing but chill. So nothing exciting, but yeah.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Good morning. Today we are up bright and early. It's only 7 a.m. Because we are off to Dunn's River Falls in Ocho Rios, which is one of the most famous waterfalls in the whole of Jamaica, I'd say. We're actually getting a catamaran cruise there, gonna do the waterfall, and then we're getting the party boat back. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술. 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher. Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money.
Yeah. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의
And this is it behind us. And it's basically where the fresh water from the waterfall connects onto the beach, and it connects together in the middle there. Unfortunately, because Frank's on a knee injury, we can't climb it, but it is absolutely beautiful. So we're just hanging out in the sea now, warming up after being in the cold water. It's absolutely amazing. This is the boat that we came in on, the catamaran. It's island routes that we booked it through Sandals. Island routes are all over the Caribbean. So far so good. They've been really, really good and really, really safety conscious. For anyone who knows me, that is a massive, massive plus. But yeah, highly recommend so far. This is what brought us to Duns River.
Everybody on this side, come on this side. I'm gonna show you something.
Good morning. It is now Friday and look at the state of my head. I got factor 50 on, but because I burnt so badly on the first day, it's all like stuck in my creases. Glamorous. Today we are just chilling because we had the best day yesterday on the catamaran. If you're in Jamaica, book a catamaran tour with what they call island routes. They are fantastic. The crew were amazing. It was just a real good party atmosphere. Have the Jamaican punch. You'll only need one. I can't even remember getting off the catamaran. I had one sort of normal like beaker size, and that was me done for the rest of the day. Today we're just going to make the most of our villa. We're going to sunbathe around the pool and just have room service all day, I think, today. Take it easy. Yeah, man. One thing I am just going to put in this video here, obviously it's our first time to a Sandals resort. The one we're staying at is Ochi Beach in Ocho Rios. So I just want to tell you a little bit about this resort. It's the oldest resort, apparently, in Jamaica, the oldest Sandals resort, and it's massive. So anyone who is coming here, if you're one of my followers, you'll know that me and Frank, my husband, are into smaller resorts. We like intimacy. We like not having to walk really far every time we go away, whereas this is huge. So the resort, the resort is spaced over two sides. So you've got hillside, which is where the Butler and the club level suites are, and then you've got seaside or beach side, which is where the hotel is at luxury level, and some of the restaurants and the beach. There is a main road. Now people say the main road isn't busy. It is. You can't cross it on a golf buggy. You have to get on a bus. So the resort offer a hop on hop off bus, and it has 3 stops on it. So it has hillside, beach side, beach club side, and then the beach hotel side. It runs every 10 minutes, so it is really accessible, but it's just an inconvenience for us. We like to just come out of our room and walk to the beach. Unfortunately, on hillside, which is where the Butler suites are, you can't do that without having to get on the bus. I'm not saying it's a good thing or a bad thing, I'm just saying it doesn't suit us. But you know, it's a great resort. The Sandals concept is absolutely fantastic. It is out of this world. We will definitely be doing a Sandals holiday again, but probably just not to this one, just for them reasons really. It's just too big, there's too much going on for us, but you know, that could suit other people. It just doesn't suit us. Our butler knows us very well. Just brought up a nice pizza, some coconut lemonade for us. If you are coming to Sandals Ochi, and if you are not on a budget, definitely pay for the butler because it is really worth having. Like I say, we've been chilling out today around our villa, and he's not forgotten about us. He's just brought us some food, he's brought us 2 lots of drinks, and he's on the phone for if we want anything extra. We've not asked for any of this, he's just brought it up, and it really makes it feel really special.
Do you wanna know? Well, I think I knew about you. And I think I have to listen. The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright.
So it's our last day here today, and it's probably a good job because the weather has completely changed. It's still warm, but it's very windy. Hope we don't get stuck here. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm sorry it's been a little bit mishmash and a bit all over the place, mainly because I've been relaxing and not focusing on this. But if you like it, give it a like, and I'd love if you could subscribe and stick around for a while. See you in the next one. Bye.